Skin vitamins for healthy skin. Which skin vitamins do we need? There's vitamin C, which is a powerhouse for skin brightening like your vitamin C serums, and vitamin A, which fulfills our anti-aging dreams like retinol. But when it comes to this lesser known vitamin, most of us have little to no idea how this one vitamin benefits the skin and how it plays an important part of having healthy glowing skin. Stay tuned till the end to find out which one it is, how to use it in your skincare routine, and which product I'm a big fan of, right after this intro. Hi guys, Niacinamide Moisturizer Media Pharmacist here on YouTube. On this channel, I help you guys make better and more informed decisions about your health and wellness, particularly when it comes to skincare, a topic I've been getting a lot of questions about. It would mean the world to me if you click that like button down below so YouTube can show this video to more people so we can help reach everyone. And if you like this kind of content, click the subscribe button to stay up to date with new weekly videos. Now let's get straight into it. Vitamin-enriched skincare products can protect against free radical damage, treat fine lines and wrinkles, and lessen hyperpigmentation. Basically, there's a vitamin out there for every one of your skin concerns. You just have to know which one provides which benefits. But the one that stands out to me the most due to its incredibly restorative properties is vitamin B3. You see, there are 8 B vitamins, and as a group, they're called the B complex vitamins. But when it comes to skincare, the one that steals the show is vitamin B3, otherwise known as niacinamide. In general, anyone who wants their skin to be bright or prevent aging should consider using vitamin B3. There's also 4 additional benefits which I'll briefly go over before we get into how to use it and which product I recommend. The first benefit is that it decreases hyperpigmentation. Vitamin A and vitamin C are popular picks for brightening dark spots and getting rid of hyperpigmentation altogether, but niacinamide helps reduce the appearance of brown spots, blotchiness, and redness, and brightens the overall complexion. An excellent choice if you have rosacea or eczema. Secondly, it helps lock in moisture. When it comes to skincare, we all love ingredients that moisturize. The water retention keeps the skin moisturized, which in turn keeps the skin barrier healthy and uncompromised. The third benefit is that it strengthens the skin barrier. Having a strong skin barrier helps our bodies keep harmful things from entering the skin. And lastly, it minimizes fine lines. You see, vitamin B3 is an antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory properties. This is why it helps prevent and treat signs of aging due to reactive oxygen species, which typically break down the collagen and elastin and can result in sagging wrinkles in the skin. Vitamin B3 addresses all those issues. Now, doesn't that seem too good to be true? Aren't there any side effects? Niacinamide is a powerful ingredient for both skin moisturization and skin brightening. But when used in high concentrations, it may cause irritation. So it's best to start low concentrations if you've never used it before. 5 to 20% formulas are out there too, and some reports say it may be effective in treating hyperpigmentation and damage related to sun exposure at those higher percentages. But if you have sensitive skin, you may want to start with a lower concentration. In terms of how to use it, it'll depend on the formulation for niacinamide serum. Most niacinamide serums are water-based, so it's best to apply them after cleansing and toning and before oil-based serums or moisturizers. This way you get the highest possible absorption. Cover your entire face with the serum, but feel free to concentrate on those oily areas. Now, how to use a niacinamide moisturizer. It's best to apply these products after cleansing, toning, and serums, but before the sunscreen and makeup. The biggest question comes down to how long will it work though? Because I don't got all day. And although most of the available research describes noticeable improvements after 4 weeks of use, there's no exact timeline. Some even see more changes in 8 weeks of time, which includes smoother, toned, and hydrated skin. So don't give up on using it just yet. So now let's get into what you've all been waiting for. Which product do I recommend? As far as a niacinamide serum goes, and assuming your skin works well with niacinamide, I recommend the 10% niacinamide booster from Paula's Choice. And no, I'm not sponsored at all by them. I like how the product is formulated with allantoin and licorice extract to calm the skin and reduce redness. It also has vitamin C in it too, to give you that extra boost to help fade dark spots and provide antioxidant protection. So anyone looking to minimize the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, or wrinkles, and to improve the surface texture of the skin, go with the Paula's Choice one. Now, as far as a moisturizer, you really can't go wrong with CeraVe's PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. They include niacinamide as the fourth ingredient, which shows you're getting a good amount of it in the product. They use MVE technology to deliver hydration throughout the night. MVE technology has several advantages over other products. So in contrast to the quick burst release formulation, in CeraVe's MVE, it's basically time released, meaning its spheres provide multiple phases of moisturization to keep the skin hydrated for up to 24 hours. I like the technology, and that's why I'm confident in recommending it. Plus, it contains hyaluronic acid to help retain skin moisture. So both great products. You can pick them up in the description below. Overall, vitamin B3, in addition to its benefits I mentioned, you have to remember that it plays a role in helping restore cellular energy, repair damaged DNA, and reduce the immunosuppressive effects of sun-induced UV rays. I think it's an important skin vitamin and would like to hear your thoughts. Like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe not to miss out on future videos. Thanks for sticking tuned all the way till the end, and I'll see you guys on the next one.